Hello, everyone. Let me start by introducing myself. My names are Simbarashe Siluyele, and I'm the founder of SNS 3D Printing Hub here in Zambia. Okay, so SNS 3D Printing Hub is a startup dedicated to bringing modern creativity and 3D printing here in Zambia. So, over the past few months, I have invested in buying a 3D printer, more specifically a Bamboo Lab A1 mini printer, and a professional filament used to make the prints. As for the filament is already here from Bamboo Lab. So in here I've got filament. This is the green type. Then I also have others in here. So this is what is used to create the 3D prints. So some of you might ask yourself, what is 3D printing? Well, 3D printing is basically the process of creating a physical object from a three-dimensional digital model, typically by laying many thin layers, of the filament or material in succession. So it lays basically as shown in the video here. So what does SNS 3D Printing Hub actually do, or what will we sell? So um, one of the first things that this will be one of the first 3D operated businesses here in Zambia that will be producing a lot of custom products such as lamps, collectibles, keychains, tools, name tags, office accessories, whatever you might want that is 3D printable, we can print it. So that would be the thing. Then we would also venture into teaching. So what we want to do, or what I see my company doing, is teaching the skill to young people or anyone who would want to learn. Okay, how to 3D print, how to model, the softwares to use, the types of printers to use, the types of filament to use, and so on and so forth. This will all be in this 3D printing journey that I am taking, and hopefully, I am taking you along with me. Okay, so um, I'm now at the point whereby I'm reaching out to potential investors to help me scale my business and to also push it along with where I'm stuck with, because the printer is supposed to come next week. I'm trying to raise my budget to raise is 10,000. 5,000 has to go to the freight fee or the printer as it arrives, and the rest of the 5,000 goes to the startup costs. That will be the transport, that will be the materials needed, that will be the time, that will be the energy, and every other setup requirement needed. Okay, so now let's get to the good part. Why does this matter? Well, 3D printing is a virtually untouched landscape of business here in Zambia. I wouldn't say it's new, but in Zambia it is virtually new. So, from that standpoint, I have not seen others doing it. Maybe there might be people who have started it. You can let me know in the comment section. But um, this is a new frontier of development and a new industry that hopefully people would flock to get a piece of. And the applications for it and the use and the amount of people that can do it, we can all do it together. Okay, so now, how can you help me with what I have alluded to you on my issue with trying to raise that money? So, support can come in different ways. Firstly, you can contribute money wise to the same goal of raising the 10,000. You can get to me through my socials, so that I let you know whatever you need to know. If you have questions, if you have queries, if there's something you want to know, so that you get abreast with what you are investing in. Okay. Secondly, you can also pre-order. Okay, so as we'll be going along, we'll be advertising the custom prints that will be printing out once the printer is here. So um, you can pre-order them. Then as soon as the printer comes, you will be the first in line to get your items. Then thirdly, like, share, subscribe. That does help a lot. This is something that I'm virtually new at, and I've hope to get exposure. Okay, so with that being said, this is Simbarashe Seliele, as I've introduced from the beginning, and now I'm introducing again. Um, this is a journey I'm taking. Okay, I do not claim to be a professional or perfect at this, but I claim to be a person that is open-minded and willing to learn and stumble and fall for his goals and passion. And I hope you take this journey with me because trust me, it's going to be very interesting. Okay. That being said, thank you for your time. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks.